Hey guys, so to fix the issue, if your T-Mobile international roaming is not working, the one thing that you can try to do is that go to settings. Of course, the first thing that you can try to do is the when I'm going to come here to the connections. And there you're gonna have the mobile networks. You want to have turned on the data roaming, you can just like turn it off, turn it on. Network mode, auto mode, and then you get network operators. So there you're gonna find select automatically, but what you can try to do possibly find a different network operator. So this is the one thing that you can possibly try. Maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. You just want to change the network operator and maybe it's going to help. So try that and choose different network operator. And then if you want to like turn off and turn on the data roaming, and it can possibly like help fix the issue, but primarily this can be like just a problem with the T-Mobile itself. And another thing, the last thing I wanted to share with you is what you want to do is that if you can have this issue, just always get a backup plan, get a Maya Mobile, get Airelo, some kind of like backup SIM card for these regards if something like this happens. So have a great day and goodbye.